I'm getting ready to slice up my brisket. I went ahead and cut it in half because it's so big and it's still mostly frozen, but that is what it looks like. And we are going to dehydrate at least half of this and see how it turns out. So I just got through slicing half of the brisket, and this is the smaller half because it was pretty thin on the end. So those look like they're gonna be delicious. And I wanna show you guys what I got. This is my old dehydrator that I used to use that would take me so long because I had to do so many different batches. And as you can see, the heating element's in the bottom, and there is a hole in the top, which makes the drying space not good. It takes away from the drying space. So I ended up getting this bad mamma jamma. Is that not beautiful? So the heating element is actually in the back, and it has, I think, 12 trays, and they're huge, huge. So I am going to be able to dry a lot more meat at a time, and it is about ready to happen. These trays hold a ton more meat. I swear my other dehydrator, I probably would have to have 3 trays to equal this amount of meat. So this is a beautiful, beautiful sight. It is wonderful. I was kind of nervous buying this because it was not a name brand, but I think I'm gonna like it. Okay, you guys, this looks delicious. Couple more hours. You can see I took a piece there. I'm gonna munch on it. Okay, you guys, look at that. You're so tall.
Right here. I just need it right here because it's just.
All right.
It's eye height to you.
All right. So our brisket chips are done. The first batch, anyways, and we have been munching on them. I ate a bunch last night. I ate more today. He's eaten some today, and we are having 3 Ziploc bags full. They are delicious.
With your bounty.
Yes, it's my bounty.
On the new machine.
Yeah, the new machine's huge. So I have 3 more trays going. That's all that was left of the whole brisket that I sliced up. And I dehydrated it at 145 degrees for 16 and a half hours. Then the fat was still a little tough, so I kicked it up to 155 degrees for 2 more hours, and now it's perfect. So delicious.
3 trays.
Yes, I just said that. Thank you. So right now, the last 3 trays, I'm just gonna do it straight 155, but this is what it looks like, you guys. Did not remove the fat. If you cook it and you taste it and the fat is too tough, cook it a little bit more because you want that fat a little bit crunchy. It is good. Nice and fatty. It's gonna help us get our fat intake in, help me get my protein in, and I'm loving it. You like it? It's so good. We can't stop eating it.
I guarantee you 1 bag is gonna be gone by the end of the day.
My fear is because it's so fatty, it's gonna go bad, and he said, ain't gonna happen.
We could have this just for a meal by itself.
And maybe we will. You're gonna come home from work tomorrow and we're gonna say, what's for supper? And I'm gonna say, brisket chips. Yum. Anyway, make it. Brisket's delicious. Freeze it before you slice it. You won't be disappointed.
What did you use for seasoning on it?
Just smoked salt, Redmond smoked salt. The new batch, I just used regular salt, but either way, you are not gonna be disappointed. Salt your meat thoroughly and it will be delicious, whether it's smoked or regular salt, don't matter.
Can I have another?
You can have all you want. See how nice I am?
I love my wife.
Anyways, thanks for stopping by, you guys. I hope that this video finds you in great health. Hope to see you here again next time, and until then.
Stop eating processed foods.
Oh, stop talking with your mouth full.
And stop eating processed foods.
Bye.